So guys, there is a term Human Development Index which compares those countries based on three criteria. And what are the criteria? Per capita income, capita individual income, life expectancy. That means the people of that nation, what is the expectation of the people of that nation? They are expecting more, or they are satisfied with that, whatever they are getting. And the literacy level or the literacy rate, whether that country is literate or the state is literate. You know that Kerala, it is 100% literate state in the comparison of other states. Likewise, it is the state, it is not the nation, it is state only. But I am talking about nation, whether that nation or country is literate, literacy level is high or standard. And if we find that the people of that nation, of that country, they are not interested towards education, they don't want to educate themselves, they are satisfied where they are at present, that means that country is not progressing. The country is not going forward, or that country does not want to go forward. So this is the main thing, that Human Development Index. After that, in the concluding part, that is also one of the important factors, that whatever the countries in the world, those are developed or progressed or rich, they are based on natural resource. That means they are extracting the natural resource, and by using the natural resource, they are growing more rich, or they are going towards progress and already progressed, and more progress. So we have to be very cautious or careful about the natural resource. Otherwise, in near future, man will have to face a huge economic depression, or a great economic depression, because one day these natural resources will be exhausted totally, and economic downfall, it is sure. So it is written in your book, we have to be very careful, we have to be very cautious. Only that much of quantity we should extract, only that much of quantity we should utilize. Surplus we should not extract, and we should sustain for future generation, and that term is known as sustainable development. We have to sustain the natural resource. Only whatever for the fulfillment we should extract, we should utilize, and rest we have to preserve for the future generation. So guys, this much of today, and now I am going to give you some questions based on today's lesson.